You know what really grinds my gears? When I'm looking for a new tool to add to my WordPress website and suddenly there are a trillion plugins I have to keep track of just to keep the site running. And since you're here, I know we share the same problem. Well, Elementor aims to fix that with a single new release, Elementor One. It unifies the Elementor Pro plugin with new features into a single subscription. Well, in this video, I'm gonna put Elementor to the test to see if it lives up to the hype and if it actually simplifies the website building experience. To try Elementor One yourself, make sure to follow the link in the description or scan the QR code on screen. This way you'll get the subscription at a fraction of the full price. And hey, once you try it, you could write your own Elementor One review in the comments to let me know how you like it and if your experience was any different. To start everything off, I thought I should clarify what Elementor One actually is. It's a unified subscription that combines Elementor Pro with AI, adding image optimization, accessibility, site management, and email deliverability, which replaces the WordPress mail function, all presented in one package. It steers away from the classic standalone AI website builder and instead becomes an all-inclusive platform for easier WordPress control. Sure, right now everything may seem vague, so let's break down the specific features. First being, well, the AI. Aside from the Elementor One website builder, you also get an AI site panel, as well as AI-generated page layouts with image editing and generation capabilities. Speaking of images, Elementor One has integrated image optimization. There's also a language selector in case you want your website to be in a language other than English. Oh, and don't forget about accessibility tools. Once you launch Ally Assistant, it will scan your website for over 180 web content accessibility guideline issues and provide automated fixes. And website accessibility helps a ton with Google search results, which can help your site get more visitors. Also, if your emails go to spam more often than to the inboxes of your subscribers, then Site Mailer can reduce those issues and improve reliability. Keep in mind that Site Mailer mostly works for transactional emails, meaning payment, order, and password reset emails. And the best part is that Elementor AI performs bulk updates across multiple sites, so you don't need to track separate tools at the same time. Basically, this Elementor WordPress subscription can save you precious time and sanity by doing the manual labor for you. And who knows, maybe you won't age 5 years trying to manage your plugin Frankenstein. So yes, the fact that it's automated is great, but I'd still say Elementor One is primarily designed for professionals like freelancers, agencies, and business managers. Don't let the AI fool you, because while it simplifies WordPress, you still need to understand customization and external tools for advanced use cases. Now, Elementor One has a credit system. The reason it's a shared credit-based system is to eliminate the need for multiple subscriptions. Credits refresh every month. Keep in mind they don't stack, so once you get credits, use them freely. You'll receive 25,000 credits with a one-site plan or 350,000 credits for the agency plan. They can be used for AI features, image optimization, accessibility fixes, and all future features included in an Elementor One update. Before getting the plan, keep in mind that I have a special deal for you. So you can try Elementor One with a big discount, but there's something else. I have 5 coupon codes for free 1-year subscriptions that I'd love to share with you. All you have to do is register through the Google form in the description, and in 1 week, I'll share 5 subscriptions with 5 lucky followers. And no, you don't need to put in any personal information, just your email. An important thing to mention is that if you already have Elementor Pro, you'll need to activate a new plan. But if you're new to Elementor, after purchasing a plan, you'll need to download the Elementor Pro zip file. Then install it on WordPress and add it like any other plugin. After installation, just activate Elementor One within your WordPress dashboard, log into your Elementor account, and connect it to your website. Keep in mind that you can start using the Elementor Pro Builder alongside the new tools included in the One plan. Performance and security are key components of Elementor One. It helps improve your site performance through cleaner code and element caching. While Elementor One does help with performance, it doesn't replace dedicated caching, content delivery networks, or advanced performance plugins. A similar thing goes for security. Elementor's policy complies with general data protection regulations. However, it reserves the right to share non-personal data, so make sure you're still taking care of your website's performance and security separately. But if you're ready to dive into the world of Elementor and become one, then click the link in the description to get your exclusive Elementor Pro discount. So Elementor One represents a clear shift in direction, moving beyond a simple page builder. It looks much more promising as a tool for building and managing websites in a more streamlined way, while still giving you creative freedom for your website design. So, thank you for watching. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Oh, and if you want a full Elementor One tutorial, make sure to comment. See ya.